Today's video is brought to you by KOWKIStoy.com, and if you're a fan of Joytoy, make sure you check out their website. They've got a great collection of action figures. Prices are pretty good as well. Speaking of which, they are very generous to provide a discount code for you guys. hobbytv-kowkis. Just create an account, add to cart, key in this code and get a 5% off. Alrighty, let's get it started. Joytoy Warhammer 40k 1/18 scale, the Grey Knights Terminator Caddon Vibova. This is actually my first Warhammer 40k. I'm pretty excited, so let's check out what this is all about. Here's a side note for you guys. I'm actually not very familiar with this line, but I'm gonna do my best to give the best review. We're gonna start with a quick size comparison, and as you guys know, we've got Acid Rain World Joytoy, a typical 3 3/4 inch 1/18 scale, and we can see this is huge. Now moving on to the details, I've heard a lot of great things about this Joytoy Warhammer 40k. They are impressive. Look at all of them. In fact, we've got so many characters within each chapter, and they are very detailed. Quality is top notch, from the shoulders to the hands. Look at all of these guys. I mean, I'm just gonna take some time to appreciate the quality. They've been improving since a couple of years ago, and as a fan of Joytoy, I'm very happy they picked up this license. So it actually comes with a few accessories. This is the main weapon, the hammer. Look at the skull, the color. Everything is pretty on point except for this part. Not sure if it's intentional, but even this part, the carvings and inscription, everything looks great, man. Now as for the hands, unfortunately they only come with 3 left hands, the open hand type, and this is kind of like double pointed fingers, as well as a close grip hand. And right now we're gonna check out the articulation. You can move the head left and right, twist a little bit at an angle. So yeah, again, the armor is pretty bulky. First impression, this is kind of chunky, it's a little bit heavy, and you can turn this all around, but you can't really do a T-pose, obviously because of the armor, the shoulder armor. This weapon right here is actually attached, and you can't really remove it. Same goes for the other arm. I think as an action figure it is not very playable, but if you're a fan of Warhammer 40k, it's definitely a great addition to your collection, from tabletop miniature to an action figure. You can bend the elbows and you can twist the hand all around, connected by a ball joint. Loving this movement right here. As for the body, you can actually bend it forward a little bit, twist it around, and it's connected by a ball joint. As for the legs, it is actually connected to the pelvic, double jointed on the knees. You can do a pose like this, but look at this. The armor plate on the legs or the thigh areas kind of restricts the movement, and I think this is the highest it can go. What else, people? Can you turn around a little bit? Maybe swivel a little bit. Look at this. As for the foot, connected by a ball joint. Okay, what else? Here's the thing, you can actually take out the plate, swing forward, backward side maybe a little bit, and this one right here, instead of a pin or peg, it's a ball joint, which secures this pretty well. And I figure this plate can be removed as well. So what else can we do? Maybe not this part. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this alone. And moving on, we're gonna attach this part over here to the back. It's very impressive what Joytoy is doing. I heard and seen a lot of great things about these figures compared to what McFarlane is putting out. So there you go, you can attach the weapon to the right hand. Just kind of wish that, you know, you have different hands and more mobility on the overall action figures, but you know, otherwise I thought it's a great figure for the fans. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you click like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the links in my description box. Check out KOWKIS, their YouTube channel, and support them. They're all about the fans. And if you want to see some discount on the action figures, just let me know in the comment section. We're gonna make this happen. Thank you guys, I'll see you the next time.